Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on replacing the motor and filter in your Dyson DC52 vacuum cleaner. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a new motor and filter, which you can easily find online or at your local appliance store. Begin by unplugging your Dyson DC52 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off the vacuum. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. Now you'll see the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor by carefully unplugging the electrical connector. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time. If you find it difficult, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about any step. After disconnecting the motor, you'll need to remove it from the housing. There are usually 2 screws holding the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and then gently lift the motor out. Make sure to check for any debris or dust in the motor housing. Cleaning this area can significantly improve your vacuum's performance. With the old motor removed, it's time to install the new one. Place the new motor into the housing, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Next, we'll replace the filter. Locate the filter compartment, which is usually near the top of the vacuum. Open the compartment and remove the old filter. It's essential to clean this area as well, as dirt can accumulate and affect suction. If you're unsure about cleaning, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. Insert the new filter into the compartment, ensuring it's seated correctly. Close the compartment securely. Now it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the base back onto the vacuum and align it with the clips. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tightly secured. This is crucial for the vacuum to function correctly. Finally, plug your Dyson DC52 back in and turn it on. Check for any unusual sounds or issues. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor and filter. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Enjoy your revitalized Dyson DC52, and happy cleaning. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.